Hello! Today, we are going to embark on some serious nonsense. This is where I would have a theme song if I had one. Graffiti! Adam! So right now we're walking around Seattle trying to find somewhere delicious to eat. There's my mom. And then Adam in the back. So far we have been looking for like 10 minutes unsuccessfully. Apparently there's a place called Biscuit Bitch, but it just closed, otherwise we'd go there. But this bathroom's so cute. Look at it. Don't judge me. It actually does smell like bubblicious here. There you go.
Oh, this one says eat me. I better do that.
Ew. Features cheese. The best cheese ever, at least in my opinion. The flagship. I can't say it. Flagship? How do you say it, Adam? Flagship cheese?
Flagship, yeah.
Okay, okay, I just didn't know.
Oh, wow. Look at that big fat cheese.
All the cheese. All of a sudden I'm full.
I will drink that cheese.
You're lactose intolerant. That'd be a good time.
Yes.